Hello, today we will guide you through how to see holder bubbles on Axiom. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to open a token page on Axiom and find the holder bubble view. This feature gives you a quick visual way to look at wallet distribution for a coin, which can be helpful when you want a clearer picture of who's holding the token. To begin, go to the Axiom Discover page for the Solana network. This is where you can browse available coins and open their individual market pages. Once the page loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. The Discover section is designed to help you scan through tokens and jump into more detailed views quickly. Next, click on a sample coin from the list. You can choose the example coin shown on screen or any token you want to inspect. Opening the coin will take you to its dedicated page where you'll see the chart and other token details. This page is where most of the deeper analysis tools are located, so it's the right place to continue. After the coin page opens, look toward the bottom of the chart area and click on Holders. This section is important because it gives you access to information about the wallets that currently hold the token. If you don't immediately notice it, just focus on the controls and tabs around the lower part of the chart until you find the Holders option. Once you're in the Holders section, move to the right side and click the small bubble icon. This is the control that switches you to the holder bubbles view. After selecting it, you should see the holder data displayed visually as bubbles, making it easier to spot relative wallet sizes and understand the distribution at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully opened the holder bubbles on Axiom. If you're reviewing multiple coins, you can repeat the same process from the Discover page. Open a coin, go to Holders, and then select the bubble icon on the right. Taking this visual step can make your research faster and more intuitive, especially when you want a simple overview instead of reading through raw holder data. Thanks for following along, and that's how to see holder bubbles on Axiom.